Uy! Andyan pala kayo? Well, since andito na rin lang kayo, let me introduce myself. Justin here.
I'm so tired of love songs, tired of love songs, tired of love songs, tired of love. Just wanna go home, wanna go home, wanna go home.
Sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe sa channel ko, please click on the subscribe button and the notification bell para ma-notify kayo every time I have a newly uploaded video. At bilang nandito na rin lang kayo, nakikita nyo naman iba ang aking setup, iba ang nasa harap ko, pagkain at ihaw-ihaw. Who here loves ihaw-ihaw as much as I do? So, gagawa tayo ng mukbang. What is mukbang? Well, ano nga bang mukbang? Basically, kakain lang ako sa harap nyo, and what I did right now is I asked questions from friends, co-vloggers, kamag-anak. So, I'm going to be answering questions, random questions lang naman, while I eat in front of you. So, wait lang, ano muna yung mga ihaw-ihaw na gather ko? Na-gather na binili ko. So, merong isaw ng, hello, ba't ganito? May kumagat. Chicken isaw. Tapos, ganyan. Chicharong bulaklak. Barbecue. Betamax. Ano pa ba? Adidas. Ano pa ba? Isaw. Baboy isaw ba to? Yes. And, alam ko may tenga dito eh. But whatever. So, mag-umpisa na tayo. Umpisa tayo sa very light questions lang. Ang hirap pala, no? Pero bago yan, of course, may suka ako. Ayan. Kain muna tayo dahil gutom na ako. Parang, hindi ako nakafocus. Ayan. So, mag-umpisa tayo sa level 1 na questions muna. Question 1. What's your full name? Galing sa kapatid ko. What's my full name? Zodiac sign siya, favorite color. What's my full name? My full name is Justin Mariel San Juan Anchores. Zodiac sign, Gemini. Favorite color, pink and black. Sobrang hilig ko sa black. Tapos, ito. Random na lang to ah. This is from Rain Manabat. Guys, follow nyo siya, Rain Manabat on YouTube. Her question is, what is your biggest why sa past relationships mo? If meron po. Biggest why sa past ko? Why? Ano ba why? Why did it work out? Meron pang isang nagtanong sa akin nun, si Joff Lazaro. Hi, Joff. Why did it work out? Bakit nga ba? Because it didn't work out with that someone because I think it's gonna work out with someone else. Aww. Diba? And siguro marami kayong indifferences. Hindi kayo nagkakasundo. And siguro ganun ka ba? Parang, diba? Ano ba? Sadyang hindi kayo meant to be. Yun. Okay. Next question. From Yuki. Throughout your career, name at least 3 people you treat like family. So, una-una na dyan si Ate Kim. I met her from Manpower Group Philippines. I was a BD back then. Same lang. Nang ginagawa ko ng ayon. Family because, well, parang she's the ate I never had. And she knows everything about me. And she's been there. Wow, parang mamayak ako dito. Second is Yuki. So, same. Siya naman yung younger sister that I never had. And minsan, mas parang ate pa siya sa akin. Third is AA. Si AA same. Sobrang, parang siyang nanay ko. Sobrang stricto niya. And, yun. So next. This is from Sean Di Mapilis. Guys, follow nyo siya. Ito yung YouTube channel niya. Here. Yan. Question niya is, if you could bring back the past, when will it be and why? Siguro wala akong gustong balikan na past ko kasi past is past na nga, diba? Parang, ano ba? Parang, why would I go back to the past? Nangyari na yun eh. Kumbaga, ginawa mo na yun eh. Whatever you did in the past, you cannot go back and change it na. Pero, sige, if sagutin mo nga, di ba, Justin? Sagutin mo nga. Siguro yung mga kagagahan ko sa love life. Ganun. Sige. Pinakain ko ng beto na. Okay. Okay, next. Roll pa ba to? Nakaka-6 pa lang ako. Feeling kong tagal na. From Cassie Alfonso. Ang question niya is, ba't ang ganda mo? Girl, mas maganda ka, di ba? Ganda-ganda nitong batang to. So, ba't daw ang ganda ko? Hindi ko alam. I got it from my mama. Okay, next is from Christina Dormitorio. I am that Maki girl. Yun yung YouTube channel niya. One thing you wanted to do ever since but never had the chance to do. Travel on my own. Yun. Gusto kong gawin yon soon. Okay, from EJ Roven. Paano ba ito i-pronounce? Grabe to, nagpapa-shoutout sa akin, 4,000 subscribers na. Kamusta naman, girl? But still, follow nyo siya, EJ Roven. His question is, what is your advice to those vloggers like me? Girl, nagsisimula 40 subscribers ka na. Anyway, what is your advice to those vloggers like me na nagsisimula pa lang sa YouTube? Ano ba? Wala, just do your thing, be yourself, and upload ka lang ng upload, and magtiyaga ka lang. Yun lang. Kasi ako, 2018 pa ako nag-start, and ngayon lang ako nag-gain, or talagang tumodo, and parang di na ako kumakain, no? Ang hirap pala mag-mukbang, so, yun. Kain muna ako, guys. From Aldrich. Paano ka nagsimulang nag-vlog, at bakit gusto ka mong mag-vlog? Yun nga, nagsimula ako August 2018. Bakit ko nagustuhan mag-vlog? Nagustuhan kong mag-vlog kasi ano ba? Because parte ako, like, ang hilig ko talaga sa makeup. And favorite ko si Anna Karen. So, talaga nag-inspire sa akin mag-vlog. Okay, from Harry. Ano ba? How to move on? How to move on? You cannot really ano ba to? You cannot really tell or teach a person how to move on kasi feeling ko moving on really starts from that person. Kapag ewan ko, process siya eh. Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin, oh, mag-move on ka. Siguro share ko na lang. How did I move on? How was I able to move on? Hindi ko rin alam. Parang isang araw na lang nagising ako na okay na ako. And feeling ko hindi naman totoo yung kasabihan nila na you can really truly move on if you find someone new. Kasi hanggang ngayon naman wala pa akong someone new, and I can say that I'm okay and I've really truly moved on na. So yun. Next, from Jeremiah Espina. Hi sis. Ano yung purpose ng channel mo? Purpose ng channel ko is to influence people to buy makeup. Yun muna, kasi mahilig talaga ako sa makeup. And doon naman talaga ako nag-start. Tapos, sponsorship, monetization, paid advertisement, or brand ambassador na contractual. Siguro doon na lang tayo sa monetization muna. Because, when you're monetized na, pag napapansin ka na ng mga brands, yung sponsorship, paid advertisement, tsaka mga brand ambassador stints or contracts will eventually come along once you're known na. Okay, kakain muna ako. Dahil nakakalimutan ko na yung mere purpose nito. Mukbang na to. Okay? Okay. Okay, from Alvin. Alvin, ng friend ko nung college. What ice cream flavor is absolutely disgusting? Ang weird ng question niya, no? Kasi daw tag-init na dito sa Pilipinas. Shoutout nga pala dyan, nasa, ano siya, UAE. Disgusting na flavor. Siguro durian, yun na yun. Or saka buko. Ayun na masyal ng buko. Tapos, meron pa siyang follow-up question. Kailan mo ko ulit tatawagan? Kahit siya yung tumatawag sa akin. Hi! Okay, next. From Danica. Ano yung biggest regret mo sa buhay mo? I don't have regrets kasi feeling ko everything happens for a reason. Love or career, career. Tapos, from Joseph, from JM Villanueva, Do you believe in free will or destiny? Ano ba yung free will? Free will is, ano ba, you can do anything what you want. Oo naman, lahat naman tayo may free will dito. Destiny, hanggang hindi pa kasi wala pa akong nakakita ng destiny ko. So, maniniwala ko ng destiny ko. Pili ka, magandang anak or matalinong anak? Matalinong anak. Kasi feeling ko, if you're matalino enough, you'll be beautiful enough. Parang, kapag maganda yung utak ko, the way you speak, the way you present yourself, feeling ko maganda ka na sa paningin ng tao. Next is from Asher Carlo. What songs are always present in your daily playlist? Ariana Grande, Taylor Swift. Pauwi na ako ng Uzi Dogs. Ano ba? Yung Di Lahat ni Nanalyn Bartolome. Favorite ko yun. Ano ba? Charlie Puth. Yun. Tapos ngayon, Blackpink. Lagi ko rin sila pinapahanggang. From Rika, this is her YouTube channel. Guys, follow niyo si Rika. Thank you so much for your question. How do you manage to do vlogging and work at the same time? Well, I'm lucky enough because with my work, we manage our own time. Although, of course, we have to be able to deliver. Plus, meron akong bisita. The baby wants to eat. Want to eat? Okay. From Chila's World. Paano kanya napa-oo? Ano yung napa-oo saan? Girl, ano yun? Weird. Hindi ko masasagot yung tanong mo. Follow-up question, please. From Jahuran. How to be you po? May nabasa ako, you can never be someone else. You can just be you. From Pao Sayosa. How many years ka nang single? I broke up with my ex last, kaya ba nakalimutan ko na? April of 2018, end of April 2018. So, mag-iisang taon na. Mag-iisang taon na akong single. Meron pa siya isang taon. Naliligaw mo sa'yo si Nuji TV. Ay, hindi. Okay, by the way, this is from Nuji TV. Anong tipo mo sa isang lalaki? Consistent, malambing, clingy. Ano ba? Mabait, syempre. Meron sa taga Don Antonio Gainan, ba't mo naisip pang open up yung sarili mo kanya? Napainom ang lola mo. Bakit nga ba? Ko siguro nag-drive lang kami, may connection, gano'n. So, yeah. Tanong, this is from Wawil Andrade. Kumakain na ako ngayon ng tenga ng baboy. Ang tanong niya, ano? Ang pinakamasakit na nangyari sa love life mo in the past? Siguro pinakamasakit it was to ever be cheated on. Yun lang. Kasi kapag when someone cheats on you, you feel worthless. Parang, ba't ka pinagpalit? So, diba, sabi nga ni Liza, parang, pangit ba ako? Kapalit-palit ba ako? Pangit ba yung katawan mo? Sabi ni Enrique, hindi. Then why? Yan, diba? Ganon. So, that ends my mukbang for today, and it's obvious na hindi ko siya inuubos. Actually, parang hindi nga ako kumain. Parang tumikim-tikim lang ako. Naging Q&A lang siya. Yun lang guys. I hope that na-enjoy nyo tong video na to. This is my first ever Q&A and first ever mukbang, and sana nagutom rin kayo sa video na to. Oo. Bayan. And yun lang guys. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. And I hope to see you guys again on my next one. Bye!